How to blur person face. To begin, I added a video to my timeline, and I would like to blur the face of this moving person. Start by going to Effects panel and search for Gaussian blur. Drag and drop Gaussian blur effect into your video. With your video selected, go to Effect Controls. Now under Gaussian blur, click on this circle to create a mask. In the preview, adjust the size and position of the mask so it covers the subject face. Now increase the blurriness until you can't recognize the person. Make sure the playhead is at the start of your clip. Now click on this track button to track the face of the subject in all the frames and automatically create the keyframes. Now Premiere created all these keyframes. Move the playhead to the start and play the video, and the moment the subject face is not masked properly, stop right there. If the mask is not visible, click on the mask under Gaussian blur effect. Now reposition and resize the mask and then click on the track button again so Premiere recreates the keyframes from this point forward. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.